Today, we are following the construction progress on the Sawua Regional Hospital to Sewua Aboase Road in Ghana's Ashanti region, where drainage works are advancing steadily. One of the key activities taking place is the construction of reinforced concrete roadside drains. Concrete is produced on site using a concrete mixture to ensure a consistent mix before it's carefully placed into aluminium formwork. The aluminium formwork provides accurate dimensions and smooth, accurate concrete finishing, while allowing the construction team to work more efficiently. Although road surfaces often receive the most attention, drainage systems are the foundation of a durable road. Without proper drainage, rainwater can collect on the pavement, seep into the road foundation, weaken the underlying layers, and eventually lead to cracks, potholes, and costly repairs. These concrete drains are designed to collect and safely channel stormwater away from the road. By preventing flooding and erosion, they can help protect the road structure and nearby properties while ensuring safer driving conditions during Ghana's rainy seasons. This project is especially important because it serves the Sawua Regional Hospital. A reliable road and drainage system will allow ambulances to respond to emergencies more quickly, reducing delays that could make a critical difference in saving lives. Doctors, nurses, healthcare workers, patients, and visitors will all benefit from the improved access throughout the year, regardless of weather conditions. Quality drainage also helps protect public investment. By extending the lifespan of the road and reducing maintenance costs, these works ensure that the infrastructure continues serving the community for many years. This project is being undertaken by Job Construction Limited, whose work continues to improve transportation infrastructure and accessibility in the region. Road and drainage systems work hand in hand. Together, they provide safer travel, stronger communities, better healthcare access, and greater opportunities for economic growth.
Asalaamaaleykum.